Hi children and hi parents. Now we are going to take the new chapter, chapter 6, Nanha Pauda. That is part 6, Nanha Pauda. Nanha Pauda means Nanha means small and Pauda means plant. So you can understand while the heading itself Nanha Pauda that this chapter is regarding about the plants. You know that these plants grow, they become trees. And what are the importance of trees in our daily life? That is, the trees, it gives us shade, it gives us fruits and lots of things the trees gives us, isn't it? And let's see what is this chapter is regarding about the importance of trees. Okay children, so let's start. I'll be reading it, I'll be explaining it and I'll be giving you the meaning. So please be attentive, listen to what I am saying it. Okay, let's start. सूरज, कितना सुख मिलता है सारी दुनिया को सुबह उठाना. That is, सूरज is saying. सूरज means, who is सूरज? सूरज means sun. कितना सुख मिलता है, that is the sun is saying how much happiness that I am getting. Who is getting? The sun is getting. सारी दुनिया को सुबह उठाना, to wake all of them up there in the morning, to wake everyone up in the morning, how happy it is. Who is saying all these things? This is being said by Suraj, the sun. दूर दूर तक रोशनी अपनी फैलाना, and to spread my light everywhere onto the all four corners. I can spread my light. Who? Sun. अरे नन्हे मुन्ने बीज क्या कर रहे हो वहाँ? And now the Suraj, the sun is asking to Nanhe Beej. Nanne Munne Beej. What do you mean by Nanne Beej? What do you mean by Beej? Beej means seed. So the Suraj, the sun is asking the seed, क्या कर रहे हो वहाँ? What are you doing over there? Sun is asking to the seed, what are you doing over there? अंधकार ही अंधकार है जहाँ, where everywhere it is darkness. So the Suraj, the sun is asking the beach, the seed, what are you doing over there? It is everywhere darkness over there. So what are you doing? Nanha Beej. So who is giving out the reply? Nanha Beej. Nanha Beej, the small seed. मैं जमीन के अंदर बैठा बैठा गहरी सोच में हूँ. So the Nanha Beej said that I am here under the land. Under the land I am, and I am in a deep thought. I am thinking. I am in a deep thought. सूरज, नन्हे बीज ऊपर आओ, सिर उठाओ, खड़े हो जाओ. सूरज said. So what for the reply? The Suraj said. The sun said, नन्हे बीज ऊपर आओ, come up. The small seed, please come up. सिर उठाओ, put your head up. खड़े हो जाओ, and stand up. Who is saying this? The sun is saying to the seed, come out, take your head up and stand up. नन्हा बीज, बाहर आऊं, खड़ा हो जाऊं, मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ मैं जाऊं. So for the reply, the Nanha Beej said, the small seed said, बाहर आऊं, should I come out? खड़ा हो जाऊं, should I stand? मुझे नहीं पता कहाँ मैं जाऊं. I don't know where should I go. So that is the doubt, that is the thought in the seed's mind. What is the thought? Should I come out? Should I stand up? Where should I go? All these thoughts are there in the seed's mind. सूरज, नन्हे बीज पकड़ो हाथ, मैं देता हूँ तुम्हारा हाथ. So Suraj, for that the sun replied that नन्हे बीज पकड़ो हाथ. नन्हे बीज, small seed, hold my hands. मैं देता हूँ तुम्हारा साथ. I'll be there with you. You hold my hand, I'll be there with you. To whom the sun is saying? The sun is saying to the seed. नन्हा बीज, उफ, कितनी कड़ी है यह धरती, अपने आप को मुलायम क्यों नहीं करती. So Nanha Beej said that, uff, kitni kadi hai ye dharti. How hard this earth is. The Nanha Beej, the seed is saying, how hard this earth is. अपने आप को मुलायम क्यों नहीं करते? Why are you not making it soft? The earth should itself make it soft. Why the earth is not doing it? It is very hard over here. सूरज, अच्छा ठहरो, मैं अपनी दोस्त वर्षा से कहता हूँ बरसो. So Suraj said that, अच्छा ठहरो, okay then, wait. मैं अपनी दोस्त वर्षा से कहता हूँ बरसो. I'll tell my friend Varsha. What do you mean by Varsha? The rain. I'll tell my friend rain to rain it out over here, to start raining over here. Who said? The sun said. Why it said like that? Why did it said that? I'll ask the rain to rain. Why did the sun said like that? Because to make the earth soft. The beej said, the seed said that it is very hard. So to make it soft, what did the Suraj wanted to do? Suraj said that you wait, I'll ask the rain to come. Varsha, मैं आई. So Varsha said, the rain said that I'm coming. साथ में पानी की बूंदे लाई, and it with the rain, what happened? It brought the drops of water also with it. The rain brought the drops of water. धरती हो गई है नम, and with that drops of water, what happened? धरती हो गई है नम. The dharti, the land is become wet. The rain came, it started raining, so because of that, it became wet. The land became wet. Nanhe beej kahan ho tum? So Varsha, the rain asked, Nanhe beej, small seed, where are you? Nanha beej, Varsha Rani, मैं हूँ यहाँ. So the seed said, the small seed that said that, Varsha Rani, मैं हूँ यहाँ. The rain queen, I am over here. Who said? The Nanha beej said. पर तुम्हारे साथ कौन है वहाँ? Small seed is asking one question to the rain queen. What is it? पर तुम्हारे साथ कौन है वहाँ? Who is that with you? Someone else is also there with you. Who is that? The seed asked to the rain. Varsha gave the reply. डरो नहीं, यह है हवा. Varsha said that, please don't be afraid. This is the hawa, this is the wind, this is the air. मैं भी साथ चलूंगी, इसने कहा. The air said that, wind said that to the rain that even I'll also come with you. इसमें तुम लोगे सांस. इसमें तुम लोगे सांस. And the rain said that because of this air you all breathe. मैं और सूरज भी रहेंगे तुम्हारे पास. Even me and as well as the sun will also be with you. To whom this Varsha is saying? The rain is saying to the seed. To the seed, the rain is saying that the wind will be there, the rain will be there, as well as the sun will be there. अरे बाहर निकलो, देखो दुनिया, खोलो तो अपनी आँखियाँ. So it is saying, the rain is saying to the seed, come out, just look into our world. खोलो तो अपनी आँखियाँ. Open up your eyes and look our world. See how beautiful it is. Who is saying? The rain is saying to the seed. नन्हा बीज, धरती है कितनी प्यारी, चारों ओर चहल पहल और हरियाली. So when the seed came out, it saw the whole world. And what did the seed say? धरती है कितनी प्यारी. How lovely this world is. How lovely this earth is. चारों ओर चहल पहल और हरियाली. Everywhere, all around it is hustle bustle and greenery everywhere. The seed liked the earth very much. It is everywhere hustle bustle as well as it is greenery everywhere. क्यों मैं इन पेड़ों जैसा बन पाऊंगा? क्या मैं इन पेड़ों जैसे बन पाऊंगा? Will I become the trees? Will I become like this itself, like the trees? Suraj, for that the Suraj, the sun gave the reply. क्यों नहीं? खाओ पियोगे जब हो जाओगे बड़े तब. So Suraj said, the sun said that, why not? You eat, you drink, then you will also grow up. The sun said to the beej, to the seed that you eat, you drink, and you will also grow up and you will also become like the tree. So next page, page number 36. नन्हा बीज, पर यह क्या बात है, हर कोई उदास है. So when the नन्हा बीज, when the seed came out, it saw something else. What was that? पर यह क्या बात है, हर कोई उदास है. It said that all are very sad over here. What happened? एक छोटा पौधा. So for that, who replied? एक छोटा पौधा, one small plant replied. What was the reply? नहीं दोस्त, यह बात नहीं, बात कुछ और ही है. It said that, small plant said that, no my dear friend, nothing like that. It is something else, some other matter is that. दूसरा छोटा पौधा, एक राक्षस आया है, उसने प्रदूषण फैलाया है. So the second small plant said that, for the reply of that, एक राक्षस आया है, one demon has come. राक्षस means demon. One demon has come, उसने प्रदूषण फैलाया है. It has spread pollution everywhere. One demon has come here to the earth and it is spreading the pollution everywhere. वह देखो, वह आया. See, it is going to come, it is coming again. That pollution, that rakshas, that demon is coming again. सारे पौधे, the old plants. हमें बचना है इससे, कुछ करना होगा मिलके. The old plants said that we should escape from this. We should do something seriously. We should escape from this pollution. We should do something. Pradushan Rakshas. Who is this Pradushan Rakshas? The demon. The pollution demon. What is it saying? Ha ha ha. क्या करोगे तुम सब? So it is smiling, it is giving a big laugh and said, क्या करोगे तुम सब? What are you all going to do? कुछ ना होगा तुमसे अब. You cannot do anything to me. पेड़ दादा, बड़ा पेड़, the grandfather tree, the big tree said, कुछ क्यों ना होगा अब? देखो तुम यह करतब. So the ped said that, why you are saying that nothing will happen over here? See the magic, I am going to do the magic. हिलाएंगे हम सब अपनी डालें. We will all shake our branches. शुद्ध हवा चारों ओर फैलाने. And we will spread the wind everywhere, the air everywhere. और इस राक्षस को भगाने. And we'll make the demon run away from here. So what is the ped saying? That we will do the magic. We will shake the branches of our trees, and because of that the pure air will come, and because of that pure air what will happen? The pollution will run away from here. Pradushan Rakshas, भागो यहाँ ना अपनी चलने वाली. So the Pradushan Rakshas, the demon pollution said that, भागो, run away, nothing is going to happen over here. पेड़ दादा कर रहे हैं रखवाली. The tree, the grandfather tree is guarding over here. पेड़ दादा कर रहे हैं रखवाली. The grandfather tree is being guarding over here. Nothing can do, we can do it over here. And पेड़ दादा again, नन्हे बच्चों देखा तुमने कैसे भागा राक्षस दुम दबा के. So the पेड़ दादा, the grandfather tree is saying to the children, नन्हे बच्चों, to the children, what is it saying? देखा तुमने, did you see that? कैसा भागा राक्षस दुम दबा के. How did that demon run away from here? तुम्हें भी ऐसा करना है काम. Even you should also do the same thing. What is it? पेड़ का ऊंचा करना है नाम. You should also grow up the trees and you should help the pollution to run away from here. So Suraj, at last the Suraj, the sun is saying, प्यारे बच्चों पेड़ों की सुन लो बात. The sun is explaining to the children. What is it that? प्यारे बच्चों, my dear children, पेड़ों की सुन लो बात. Listen to the trees. इन्हें ना काटो तब होगी बरसात. Don't cut the trees, then only you will get the rain. अभी देर हुई नहीं है, धरती अभी हरी भरी है. It is not yet late, धरती, the land, still it is greenery over here. इसे ऐसे ही रहने दो. Always keep our land just like this itself, greenery everywhere. अपने हाथों से ढेर सारे बीज बोवो. That is, you should sow lots of seeds here in the land. और उनकी देखभाल करो and take care of it. फिर चाहे दिन हो या रात, होगा पेड़ दादा का साथ. Whether it is after that, whether it is day or night, the पेड़ दादा, the trees will be always there to help you. और तुम लोगे खुली हवा में सांस. And with that you can breathe it out very pure air. With the help of that you can breathe very easily the pure air. So did you understand the story? Now the moral of the story is, सभी को पौधे लगाना चाहिए तथा उनकी देखभाल भी करनी चाहिए. We should plant trees and also we should look after them. So did you understand? This is the importance of trees that is being said over here. That is, we should always sow the seeds and we should grow up the plants, making the trees, and the trees will help us to give the pure air. It will give us shade, and if the pollution is also over here in the land, it will help us to remove the pollution away from our earth. So did you understand, the children, the importance of trees? Now I'll give you the meanings. Please underline the words and write down this difficult meanings. And also you need to read this chapter for 5 times. Understand each line, understand each word meaning and try to read it properly. Clear? Now these are the meanings. First one is Suraj, sun. Second one, sukh, happiness. Uthana, to wake up. Phailana, spread. Nanha, small. Beej, seed. Gehri, deep. Pakdo, hold. Dharti, earth. Barso, to rain. Boonde, drops. Rani, queen. And some more of that. Haryali, greenery. Chaya, shadow. Rakshas, demon. Bachna, escape. Hilayenge, shake. Shuddh, pure. Hari bari, lush green. Bhovo, to sow. Dekhbhal, care. Kholi, open. And saans, breathe. So these are the difficult word meaning. So you need to underline these words and write down the meanings of that. And read this chapter for 5 times. Okay children? Thank you.